After months of tantalizing leaks, FCC filings, and industry whispers, the long-rumored DJI Osmo 360 finally has a confirmed launch window. Multiple reliable sources, including the Chinese tech outlet IT Home, now point towards an official unveiling in July 2025. This announcement marks a pivotal moment for the 360-degree action camera segment, injecting serious competition into a market long dominated by Insta360 and awaiting a meaningful update from GoPro. One of the most immediate differentiators gleaned from leaks is the Osmo 360's physical form. DJI appears to be taking a deliberate departure from the tall, vertical stick design favored by the current Insta360 flagship, the X5. Instead, the Osmo 360 seems heavily inspired by the approachability and robustness of the older GoPro Max, adopting a compact, square-shaped profile. This design choice carries significant practical implications. The square form factor inherently offers greater stability when mounted on uneven surfaces, helmets, bikes, or other action sports equipment. It's generally considered less prone to accidental tipping and potentially more durable in high-impact scenarios due to a potentially lower center of gravity and more distributed structure. While the Insta360's stick design excels in handheld vlogging situations, DJI's square approach signals a clear intent to cater directly to the core action sports market, prioritizing ruggedness and secure mounting. Leaked images also confirm a landscape-oriented display screen positioned below the prominent dual lenses on opposite sides, strategically placed microphones, a dedicated power button, and a side-mounted battery compartment. Given DJI's well-established reputation for premium build quality and sleek aesthetics, further enhanced by their ownership of the legendary Hasselblad brand, expectations are high for a device that feels both durable and sophisticated in hand. Perhaps the most compelling rumor surrounding the Osmo 360 centers on its imaging sensor. Leaked images consistently highlight that the lenses on the DJI unit appear noticeably larger than those found on the Insta360 X5. This visual clue strongly suggests DJI is employing a larger image sensor within the Osmo 360, continuing a strategy successfully deployed in their Osmo Action 5 Pro, which prioritized sensor size over simply chasing the highest resolution numbers. The most probable candidate is a 1 by 1.3 inch sensor, identical to the one used in the Osmo Action 5 Pro. This would already grant the Osmo 360 a tangible advantage over the Insta360 X5, both believed to utilize smaller 1/2 inch sensors. The physics of photography is clear. A larger sensor typically captures more light. This translates directly to superior low-light performance, crucial for dawn, dusk, or indoor shooting, and improved dynamic range, allowing the camera to retain detail in both the brightest highlights and deepest shadows within the same frame. While a 1.3 inch sensor seems a safe bet based on DJI's recent history and supply chain, a persistent, albeit slimmer hope among enthusiasts is that DJI might make an audacious leap to incorporate a 1 inch sensor, akin to the one found in their highly regarded Osmo Pocket 3. Such a move would dramatically widen the image quality gap. While detailed official specifications remain under wraps, informed speculation paints a picture of a highly capable device. Resolution is expected to be at least 5.7K, aligning with current mainstream 360 offerings. However, given the recent Insta360 X5 push to 8K, it's highly plausible that DJI will equip the Osmo 360 with 8K at 30 FPS recording capabilities to remain competitive on paper. Leaks suggest it might share almost the same core video specs as the Insta360 X5. Yet, true to DJI's philosophy, raw pixel count likely won't be the sole focus. The combination of a potentially larger sensor and DJI's renowned image processing aims for superior overall image quality, color science, and detail rendition, especially in challenging conditions. The Hasselblad influence, stemming from DJI's ownership, could be a significant differentiator in color tuning and optical performance. Where DJI is almost guaranteed to shine is stabilization. The company's Rocksteady technology, particularly its advanced Rocksteady Plus variant in the Action series, sets a high bar for electronic image stabilization in traditional action cameras. The prospect of a 360-degree optimized version of Rocksteady is genuinely exciting. Expect the Osmo 360 to leverage DJI's deep expertise from drones and gimbals to deliver potentially best-in-class stabilization, crucial for keeping immersive 360 footage smooth and watchable during skiing, mountain biking, running, or any high-motion activity. This could be a key selling point against competitors. Audio is another area where integration plays a role. Leaks hint at advanced audio processing and, significantly, seamless compatibility with DJI's own wireless microphone systems, like the DJI Mic 2. This suggests a focus on professional-grade audio capture directly within the 360 ecosystem, potentially surpassing the built-in microphone capabilities of rivals and offering creators a more streamlined workflow for high-fidelity sound. Other rumored professional features include waterproofing, support for external microphones, and even SMPTE timecode support for multi-camera professional productions, a feature gaining traction in high-end action cameras. One of DJI's strongest strategic advantages is its interconnected ecosystem. The Osmo 360 is anticipated to slot perfectly into this framework. Expect deep integration with the DJI Mimo app for intuitive control, editing, and sharing. More compellingly, the camera should work seamlessly with other DJI products, potentially allowing for unique capture scenarios involving drones or leveraging DJI's wireless microphones without cumbersome workarounds. For creators already invested in DJI's world, drones, action cams, mics, the Osmo 360 becomes a highly attractive addition, simplifying workflows and maximizing existing accessory investments. This ecosystem lock-in is a powerful tool against competitors who may offer excellent standalone cameras but lack this breadth of integration. Market positioning and leaks strongly indicate DJI will target the Osmo 360 squarely at the Insta360 X5 price bracket, placing it in the competitive sub-$500 range, likely around $499 to challenge the Insta360 X5's current $550. This aggressive pricing is essential for a newcomer aiming to gain a significant market share. However, one potential compromise hinted at in leaks is a smaller battery capacity compared to the Insta360 X5. Real-world testing will determine if this impacts usability significantly, but DJI's generally efficient power management offers some reassurance. A welcome feature spotted in recent leaks is USB Type-C pass-through charging, allowing the camera to be powered continuously while mounted on a tripod, bike, or other rig, a practical boon for extended shooting sessions. The timing of the July release is strategic. The 360 camera market, while innovative, has lacked fierce competition. Insta360 has enjoyed a relatively uncontested run at the top with its X series. GoPro, despite the groundbreaking Max, has frustratingly delayed its true successor, the Max 2, for years, leaving a gap. DJI's entry with the Osmo 360, backed by its reputation for quality, technological prowess, and aggressive pricing, poses the most serious challenge Insta360 has faced. It also puts immense pressure on GoPro to finally deliver its next-generation 360 camera. The confirmed July 2025 release date for the DJI Osmo 360 marks the end of speculation and the beginning of a new, highly competitive chapter in 360-degree imaging. DJI is entering the ring not with a tentative first attempt, but with a camera that, based on leaks and the company's pedigree, promises significant strengths. A potentially superior sensor for better image quality, industry-leading stabilization derived from drone tech, a robust and mount-friendly square design, seamless integration within the DJI ecosystem, and competitive pricing. Thanks for watching.